You know, my entire life I've noticed that if there's one thing that we could all use a little bit more of, it's space. Big clunky furniture can make your home feel more like a cage. So I set out to create a solution that would work for everyone in every living situation. From the college dorm room, to the studio apartment, to the best of all, and my favorite, the bunk bed. This bedside shelf is easy to install. It attaches firmly to the edge of your bed frame without tools, using a simple and time-tested clamp and knob mechanism. Of course, it had to be extremely sturdy to safely hold all of your bedside needs. Design-wise, it features rounded edges and a neat wire slot for charging your phone. The BedShelfie team is really excited about this product, and we're extremely grateful for your support.
This is the iStar Bluetooth table speaker. This thing is packed with tons of features, including built-in wireless charging for your smartphones, 360-degree sound projection, 2 USB charging ports, a built-in microphone so you can make and receive phone calls over Bluetooth, and a lot more. Now first things first, let's see what comes inside the box. Now there is some assembly required, but don't worry, no tools are actually necessary. Inside the box, essentially you'll see 3 table legs, the base of the unit, the power brick, and some cables. Once it's assembled, it's a simple yet elegant design which would look great in any living room, game room, terrace, or any other green space really. The unit stands 25 inches tall and is roughly 16 inches wide, and you can see it has this really nice walnut finish up top. Surrounding the sides of the table, of course, is a super sleek gray heather fabric, which feels nice to the touch, but more importantly, looks ultra clean. So on the heather gray fabric, you have 4 main buttons, the power button, the play pause button, as well as the plus minus buttons for volume. And on the back you have your 2 USB charging ports, one at 2.1 amps and the other at 1 amp. And below that is your DC input, so if you wanted to keep this plugged in at all times, you could certainly do that. Otherwise, the table has a built-in 6600 milliamp hour battery, which is advertised to allow around 7 hours of music playback. However, I found I was able to squeeze quite a bit more time out of the unit, setting the volume level at around 50%. And up top on the walnut finish, as mentioned, you do have wireless charging available for the latest phones and tech. Okay, so let's talk about sound. First of all, the pairing process is quite straightforward. You just hold the power button for 2 seconds. Once you're connected with your phone, you're ready to stream some tunes. Once connected, the unit has an impressively loud 360-degree speaker with a surprisingly full sound profile, thanks mostly to its rear-facing subwoofer built directly into the unit. The full, rich sound can be attributed to the 4 2 3/4-inch 12-watt mid-range speakers, and the 2 1-inch 20-watt tweeters found throughout the heather gray fabric. The beautiful, modern design, paired with its outstanding sound quality, charging functions, and portability, makes the iStar Bluetooth speaker table a must-have for any household.
This is the Sobro side table, The next generation of furniture designed for your connected lifestyle. Packed with tons of smart features, the Sobro side table is the ultimate upgrade to your bedroom or living room. Thanks to the support of over 2,000 backers, we successfully shipped the Sobro coffee table last October. Now, with your feedback and support, we're raising the bar with our next generation product, the Sobro side table. Need a cold drink in the middle of the night? No worries. The built-in cooler drawer has you covered, and there's also a locking storage drawer too. In the bedroom, the Sobro side table is a next generation nightstand that pairs with our app to improve your sleep. Our app helps you sleep better with a white noise generator and wake up easier with LED lights that simulate sunrise. A motion activated light bar on the front of the table goes on when you get up, so there's no need for a nightlight. Play some bedtime tunes or set the mood. Stream your Bluetooth audio from your phone through the built-in speakers. Or, for even richer sound, you can sync two side tables together. Stay powered up with the built-in wireless charging. We've also added 4 USB ports and 2 outlets on the back so you can charge all your devices. And our cord management system keeps everything nice and organized. Add colorful ambience to your environment with the LED accent lights. Choose your favorite color through our app or control the lights right from the back of the table.